Welcome, everybody. Welcome to your number one trading talk show in the world, the first of its kind. And we're calling it the Trading Talk Show, where we talk everything trading. We talk currencies, we talk indices, we talk metals, we talk bonds, and everything that has to do with trading. We cover it here because we are traders. Please do me a favor. Go on and like, share, and subscribe to the page on YouTube so that we can grow and get more followers. But more importantly, so that you don't get to miss an episode. Don't forget, we are also available on all social media platforms. You can search the Trading Talk Show. All right. With that said, allow me to introduce my guest in studio. And I will start with the first one. His name is Datops from Pips to Cash. And the second one is KB from SMP Institution. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome my guest.
Thank you.
Datops,
Yeah.
how are you, my brother?
Good, man, and you?
Good, good. KB,
Hola.
how's it?
Sharp.
Good, brother. How's trading, guys?
It's been good. It's been good. This year has been better than the others.
Yeah.
I think it's been a profitable year.
For you guys. Okay, that's wonderful. And you guys come from your respective companies. Let me start with you, Datops. What's your company? Where do you come from?
Okay, so the company is called Pips to Cash. So what we basically do there is mentorship, but not the mentorship that it's not education. It's mentorship.
Mentorship.
Because education is different from mentorship, because education you start people from the basic,
Okay.
and then build them up
True.
to become profitable traders.
True.
But with us, because there's a lot of people that are offering education,
Yes.
we offer mentorship. So basically, we look at your trading strategy, we give you a trading plan, and then we also kind of give you signals in terms of
Yeah.
when we do trade.
Yes.
Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry, it's okay.
And we also have got, like as I've said, a signal group where we kind of encompass everything there.
Yes.
So that's what we do at Pips to Cash.
Pips to Cash. All right, KB, where do you come from?
SMP,
SMP.
Simple Forex.
What do you offer there
So we offer educational courses.
as well?
Yeah, we start you from the beginning up until advanced.
All right.
So yeah, we have beginners course,
Yes.
it's 3 months,
Yes.
and also advanced course.
Yes.
So yeah, that's about it.
That's about it.
Yeah.
And how can people get? How can they reach you for your service?
Via Instagram,
Okay.
SMP Institute _SA.
Yes.
And we also have our website.
Yes.
Yes, it's www.smpinstitute.co.za.
All right. And the tops, how can they get hold of Pips to Cash?
Pips to Cash. So it's a relatively new company. So we're still working on our website.
Okay.
But you can also we've got like a signals group
Yes.
on Telegram.
Yes.
And then when it comes to Instagram, it's Datops FX.
Datops FX. Excellent. Gentlemen, the topic of the day is money management, which is a very important component in trading. So I would like us to touch base on that to help our viewers at home to understand this concept, money management. Let me start with Datops, right? Just to give us a brief description of, in your own words, what is money management in trading?
In trading, so money management basically, for me, it's how you manage your capital.
Your capital.
Yes.
Yeah.
So because you might find that you'll start with a certain amount,
Yes.
and then you can grow that amount,
Yes.
and then lose that amount.
All right.
Or you lose everything.
Okay.
So to manage that, you then look at certain aspects.
Okay.
When you do make your money, do you still trade with that money, or do you put it aside and trade with a specific amount of money?
All right.
Or do you just then trade with that whole amount,
Yeah.
but then look at your at your risk.
Yeah.
That is if I've got, let's say, 2,000 rands that I've put in,
Yes.
and then I've made 20,000 rands, then is my lot size going to be the same as when I used the 2,000?
All right.
Right.
All right.
And also, money management, I think, also comes with risk management.
All right.
Because if you protect your capital through risk management,
Yes.
then it's also a form of money management.
All right. All right. I think I can relate with that because even myself, I can remember that it's one thing to make money on the markets, and it's one thing to keep the money, right? I believe that only successful traders are the ones with the ability to keep the money after they've made it. Am I right? All right. KB, just to emphasize more on the importance of mastering money management from your company, SMP, what's your take on that?
Well, Keke, remember now we are in a business of making money.
All right.
So in
correct.
order to make money, you need to learn how to manage it.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Ironically,
Yeah.
it's this is the most overlooked area in trading.
All right.
Oh,
Yeah.
understand.
That's profound.
Yes, most traders they get anxious
Yeah.
into getting into trading.
Yes.
I understand.
Yes.
With no regards to the total account size, their total account size. You know,
Yeah.
they just simply open trades, and they just calculate a certain percentage of risk in
Yeah.
their account. I
Yeah.
understand. And then to me, that it's more like gambling,
Yeah.
because now let me make you an example.
Sure.
We have casinos all over,
Yeah.
and people go there
Yes.
all the time.
Yes.
You know what? To gamble their money
Yes.
in hopes to make
More
large
money.
amounts of
Yeah.
cash. Understand?
Yeah.
And then guess what?
Yeah.
Most people, they do make money.
Okay.
But then one thing I can tell you is
Yeah.
that casinos, they always win,
Yes.
because they are
It's a
focusing
principle.
on the long run.
Yes,
They're not
yes.
focusing on the short run.
Yeah.
So that's about it.
Yeah.
And that's where the term of the house always wins
Comes from. Okay.
You see, so it's important to money management. It's very important
Yeah.
for you as a trader
Yes.
to consider.
All right. Tatos, anything to add?
No, look, I think with money management, it's always best that you look at what works for you.
Okay.
I had this thing where I would grow their money, it gets to 20,000 rands,
Mhm.
80,000 or whatever the amount,
Mhm.
and then you up your lot sizes because you, in your head, you're thinking, I will double that.
Yeah.
Right?
I see.
So then it becomes an issue because now you're over leveraging, you're putting too much, and then you end up losing more than what you've invested.
I
So
see.
it's a strategy on its own,
On its own.
which takes a lot of discipline.
Yeah.
Because if you are losing 5, 10 trades in a row,
Yeah.
psychologically it does something to you. So you want to keep putting money in
Yeah.
and revenge trade
Yeah.
and do all of that.
Yeah.
And then it messes up with your money management. So it's quite important that you've got a structure.
All right.
My structure will be different from KB. KB
Yeah.
has probably got a different
Yeah.
money management strategy
Yeah. I
that
see.
I've got.
I see.
You know?
Yeah, well, it's true, and I believe those are the key principles of money management. All right, and you just mentioned something very profound there, significant. You said that each trader is different, right? So part of the questions we have on the show is me asking you, what are your pairs that you specialize in from pips to cash perspective?
Okay, so I've got 5 pairs or 5 instruments that I trade.
Yeah.
I trade Euro USD, GBP USD,
All right,
GBP JPY, Euro JPY, and I trade gold.
gold as well.
So those are the 5 pairs. I
Yeah.
don't trade all of them at the same time.
All right.
I look for the best setups
Yes.
on each.
Then from SMP, KB, what are your pairs that side?
So me when it comes to pairs,
Yeah.
I'm very strict.
Strict,
very
yes.
choosy.
Okay.
So I focus on three.
Okay.
Yeah, I focus on GBPUSD,
Yes.
I focus on gold,
Yes.
and then USDT.
Yes.
The reason why I chose
These
only three,
Yeah.
it's because of I wanna master.
Okay.
I wanna understand.
Certain pairs.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Because you can't be jack of all trades.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So they help me a lot because now if it happens that Hakaboni
Setups.
the setups in 3 of them,
Yeah.
it means what it's my day off in the market.
Oh, nice,
Actually, you
nice,
understand?
nice,
Simple
nice.
as that. So
All
yeah,
right.
that's about it.
All right. With that said, again, I would like to find out, gentlemen, your respective strategies. Yeah. How did you make your money? Let me start with the tops.
So my strategy, the strategy that I use is the moving average strategies.
Moving averages.
Moving averages.
Exciting.
And I've looked at all the different types of strategies, and I think the one that worked for me the most was the moving average strategy,
Okay.
because it kind of gives me a much better indication, and also there's correlations with the moving averages and trend lines.
All right.
And also with like horizontal levels.
Yeah.
You know, so for me it works.
Yeah.
Because when I find correlation,
Mhm.
if I put a trend line there and I found that there's a common bounce on the trend line,
Yeah.
and that also works with a certain moving average,
Yeah.
that you find price does not break that certain
I see.
moving average.
Yeah.
And when it does break, then you know that you're looking for the different crosses,
All right.
moving average crosses, like
Yeah.
your the death cross and the golden cross and things like that. And then it becomes much easier for you, especially if you look at the bigger time frames,
Mhm.
at the higher time frames, and then you'll then be able to see a much clearer direction,
Yeah.
market direction, and then zone in, or
Yeah.
like in the smaller time frames for
Alright.
entries.
I see.
So that's my strategy. It's more like a moving average strategy. Yeah.
All right. KB, you were on the show previously. I've heard about your strategy. In a short statement, just rephrase it again.
So I'm an ICT trader.
ICT trader,
Yes, the
Alright.
inner circle trader.
inner circle
So
trader.
We focus on the movements of SMC traders, smart
Yes.
money concept.
Okay.
So we study
Yeah.
smart money concepts.
Smart
but we
money
study their
concept.
movements.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we capitalize on their moves.
I see.
So it's SMC.
All right, gentlemen. A segment will come on the show where you have to show our viewers your strategies on the screen. Okay. All right. So traders, as you know, on this show we don't just talk about the technical analysis. We also cover the fundamental analysis, which takes us to the next segment where I will be handing over to our news anchor.
Good day, everyone. My name is Mandy Mnwana. So here are the fundamentals of the courtesy of this week's investing.com. All right, so Tuesday, the 21st of November, 2023 at 3:30, we do have the CAD with CPI. After that, at 5 p.m., we have the USD, its existing home sales. And then after that, at 9 p.m., we do have the USD again. It's FOMC meeting minutes. Okay, so on Wednesday, the 22nd of November, 2023, we do have at 10 a.m. in the morning, we have our home currency, the ZAR. It is a core CPI. All right, so on the following day after that, on the 23rd rather, so on the 23rd of November 2023, Thursday, we do have a holiday in the United States, the Thanksgiving Day. All right, so moreover, in Japan, it is a holiday as well on Thursday, the 22nd of 2023, a Workers' Day holiday. And then at 9 a.m., we have the Euro German GDP. All right, that's it from me on the next week's fundamentals. Over to you, Keke.
All right, thank you so much, Mandy. That was our fundamentals for the week. And KB, we are ready for the technical side of things, right? I see here you have prepared us the British pound against the US dollar.
Correct.
We are about to experience your inner circle trader concept once again, right? Take it away, brother.
So here I prepared GBPUSD on daily time frame. So we're only going to be focusing on daily time frame. As you can see here, we have a bearish order flow. The market was going bearish, the lows were getting taken to prove that the market is going bearish. Up until this, so this was the swing high. This was the previous swing high before the break here. So the market played well. Up until here, there was a break of market structure. And then most traders were treating this block as an order block before this happened. So they were hoping for the market to keep on targeting these lows to go down. Unfortunately, I think it was during CPI, the market broke. Now, I'm treating this block as a breaker block now, as a breaker block. It's no longer an order block because now I believe that it's supporting the bullish move, you see. And with that, I think we have a new swing high. We're targeting this high. If you can clear this high, I think this is our draw on liquidity. So the market, I think it might push, it can push up until these zones. Because if you can see here, this is our order block. So our bearish order block. Sorry, that's our bearish order block. So in terms of entries, if you can see here, the sell stops were raided, and then the market started to push up, and then here there was an imbalance, of which it's a fair value gap. That's why the market, after retesting the order block before this breaker, the order block, the market came to clear the imbalances, you know, the equal between sellers and buyers. So the market, after retesting on the fair value gap, it pushed extremely up, and then now the market created another imbalance. Now my second thought is that the market can come back and retest this. Now let me show you why am I saying that the market can come to this zone before targeting the sell stops. So now I introduced the fair value gap. I took this low and this high. So after introducing this fair value gap, now this fair value gap, it's like this. These are my buying zones, my golden zones. So this is it's a buying fair value gap. So if you can see, the market went bearish, and immediately after tapping into my fair value gap, the market started to change the directions. So now I'm going to remove this fair value gap and place it from this low to this high and see my next possible entry. Now if you can see, I moved my fair value gap from this to this. Now I took this low and this high again, and I'm looking for possible buy entries. Because I have a fair value gap here that is an imbalance, that is untapped, and also my fair value gap, now I have double confirmations that the market can come to this zone before targeting the buy stops and the daily order block. So yeah, happy trading guys, happy trading. For more information, if you want to follow up on my analysis, just follow me on Instagram, SMP Institute _SA. So trade profit, withdraw, repeat. Happy trading guys.
Okay, that was it from us today at the Trading Talk Show. Be sure you like, share, and subscribe to the page on YouTube, and follow us on social media. Search everywhere, the Trading Talk Show. Keep on trading, trader, and I will see you at the top.